Today we're with Richie from Rigid, and he's going to be telling us all about the changes to Rigid and what they're going to be bringing to the 2025 Rugged Radios Dirt Expo powered by DRT Motorsports. We have a lot of history with Rigid here in Arizona. I mean, since the very beginning of Rigid, they've been coming to the shows that I've been putting on since, like, I don't know, 2000, 2001, 2002. They started after that, I believe, right?
Yeah, around 2005.
Yeah, yep. They started after that. And but I remember the very first year they came, it was pretty cool. And to see them grow as an Arizona company into this global corporation that they've become is pretty amazing. And it's something I enjoy seeing about all the companies that I've grown up with all my life. Anyway, so today we're talking to Rigid, and Rigid's doing some transforming here. They're rebranding their logo. They're giving a little update to their style line and how things work. Tell me about it, Richie.
Yeah, we've got a lot of great stuff happening this year. New icons for the company, which you will all see at the show this year up in December. And then we also have a lot of new product that we've been pushing out this year. Something that has done really well for us and everybody's super excited for is our new Connect light bar. We've had the 360 lights out for a few years now, and these are one of our biggest sellers, most popular lights. So what we've done is we worked with a local company here in Mesa, and we created these links for all of the lights. So now you could take your favorite 4-inch 360s, link them all together, and put them into a light bar.
So tell me about the linkage. Now, does this allow the bar to form and turn?
Yep. All of the links, you can actually, just by adjusting the bolt pattern here, you can curve this light bar. It fits in all of the standard 40-inch sizing mounts that are already out there. And the light bar actually, it will even come with a harness here that plugs all the lights together. So then you just run one harness straight to your battery. And then the lights, just like our normal 360s, they come with RGBW backlighting. So there's multiple colors of backlighting. And the light bar is designed with the spots in the middle, and then you have the drives or the floods on the side.
And you do have all the different covers for them, for amber and all that. I can see that on there, right?
Yep, the light bar does come with the black covers, but you can also purchase the Amber Pro covers separately. The Amber Pro covers are going to be great for, you know, those really dusty conditions, whether it's dust, snow, rain, anything that is obstructing your view and reflecting white back at you. Put the amber cover on and it helps cut right through that.
And this is going to be awesome for anyone racing Baja, anybody out in the desert running in a pack with a bunch of friends or whatever, or Lauren Healy and the Von Gittin Jr. and all those guys racing King of the Hammers coming up, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of people using this light bar this year, and we've been getting a lot of great feedback from the racers. It is an extremely powerful light bar. Each one of these lights is 3,200 lumens, and you know, with the spot and the flood mix, I mean, you got your distance for high speed and your width. You know, when you're slowed down or you need to turn, you've got everything built into this one light.
Right on. And what other lights would you suggest that somebody would pair with these? You got A-pillar lights, you got all that?
Yeah, what's really cool is this is the same 4-inch 360 light that we sell in pairs. So you can pair this with 4-inch 360s on your A-pillar, or you can go, we have a 6-inch and a 9-inch light as well. So if you have a big truck with a big bumper, you could put the 9-inch on the bumpers, the 6-inch on the A-pillars, have the Connect up on the roof for your roof light, and the whole entire truck can be outfitted with just 360 lights.
That's freaking awesome, man.
Yeah.
Really cool, man, to see that evolve into something that's come a long way. Now, one other thing that he's got that really caught my attention as a bike guy, the Ignite. But you're telling me the Ignite's really popular right now, right?
Yeah, this is one of our most popular lights. This is called the Ignite. And what's really cool about this light is it's really small, and it is a 1,000 lumen output, 20 watt LED, puts out 0.2 amp draw. A lot of people will actually create their own battery packs and use these for helmet lights or just any sort of light that you need outside of the vehicle. What's really unique about our housing is we designed the housing to sit into any GoPro mount. So if you didn't want to drill a mount into any sort of vehicle that you have or any platform, you could actually just take a GoPro mount, stick it wherever you want, and then just mount this light directly to it.
I think the GoPro mount concept is actually genius because all of us, everybody watching this right now, we all have GoPros. We all have those mounts. We all have all that stuff. So the ability to hook that onto something and be able to just put that anywhere. And, you know, we're talking inside of a race truck. We're talking inside a UTV, inside the cockpit, not necessarily always looking outside the cockpit.
Yep.
I think that's a pretty spectacular thing. And to have that in your toolbox, have that with your crew when you're out racing or in the nighttime, that's a pretty epic little gift to have. I mean, granted, we all have our flashlights and stuff, but if you can mount that somewhere where you can always have that light. I know on my big van that we use for Baja for racing and stuff, we have the lights all the way around the top. Mm-hmm. You could those would serve that purpose really well, and they're small, they're indiscreet, they look good.
Yep.
But they're going to have these at the Dirt Expo this year?
Yep, we'll have these in stock at the Dirt Expo, so you can pick these up at our booth. We'll also have these in stock as well, so you can pick up your Connects, you can pick up your Ignites for all of your rear lighting, area lighting, motorcycle lighting, whatever you need this for, you can use this on.
It's spectacular. Well, I appreciate you taking time today to come see us.
Thanks,
and
Andy.
we look forward to seeing you down at the show.
Appreciate you. Me too. Thanks.